Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically you can generate a colored image inside your Python applications, so with of any width and height here. So if I just execute this Python script, you will see it will generate this image inside our root directory. If I just execute the script here, if I just write the command here, which is python app.py, so it will generate this JPG file in the root directory, and basically it's a red color image, solid red color image, and the size is 1280 width and 720 height. I can change the color to green here. So now if I once again execute this, you will see it will now create green color image. So now it has changed from red to green. So you can specify any color of your choice here, and then it will create basically the image. So we are doing this using pillow library. You can see it has generated this white image. So all the source code is given in the description of the video. So we are using pillow library. So you can install this library by executing pip install pillow. So I have already installed this library here. So after this, you just need to create app.py file here, and inside this file you need to write this code that I'm writing right here. So from pillow, from pil, we need to import the image module which is there, and now we will be creating a brand new image with the help of this new method. And here basically you just need to provide the color of the image and the size of the image. So color will be RGB, red, green, blue, and here we just need to provide our width and the height here, which is 1280 comma 720. Basically this is the width, this is the height, and the third parameter is the name of the color. So let's suppose I need to generate a yellow image, so I will provide yellow here. And now we just need to save this image, so where we have the save method inside our pillow library. So simply you will just save this image, which is image dot jpg. So this will save this image, and now to basically print out the base64 code of the image, we can even print out like this: content type followed by image slash jpg. And lastly we can simply save this image, save the content. So we can open this image like this with the open method of Python. So we can provide the path here. So we have already saved this image dash jpg, and we can open this image in read binary mode. So rb stands for read binary mode, as f, and then basically we can print out the code f dot read. So this will print out the base64 code of the image here, and you can see that this is all the code which is required here. So let me just delete this, and let me change this to output.jpg. So if I now execute this, you will see it will create this output.jpg, this yellow image. So you can specify any color of your choice here, and also you can, let's suppose you want 100 by 100 image, you can specify the size, you can change the color to blue. So now you will see the size will be changed here, which will be 100 by 100. You will see that this is 100 in width and 100 in height, and this is in blue color. So in this way you can build out a simple image generator inside Python of any width and size. All the source code is given in the description of this video.